raining. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Bro, what is going on? If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikeguys.com. Link in the description. Would you look at that, bro? New scooter. So this is the RCB D7 Ultra. So it's supposed to be like the frame actually looks similar to the G2 Master frame. So it has a 48 volt 20.8 amp hour battery, 500 watt motor with 1.6 kilowatts of peak power. So yeah, sounds like a beefed up G2 Max. Let's open it. Long slice. Would you look at that? We got foam. We got even more foam. Oh my god! Where's the kickstand? Okay, this looks like the headlight. Oh my god, that's a hard zip tie. Wait, check this out. Check this out. Come here. Ah, it wasn't satisfying. Oh, you have to screw them in. Yeah. Oh yeah, this looks like a cool headlight. You have a whole ass toolkit with this thing. God damn, bro. They even give you wrenches, bro. Bro, this frame looks so similar to the G2 Master. Bro, I just saw something cool. Hold on, I'ma show it after I put on the headlight. Let me make sure it's straight. Check this out. Hold on. Look at this. It has bearings at the linkages. This thing is more premium than the G2 Master actually. Look, these are bearings. The G2 Master has bushings in there. Is it the same in the rear? No, in the rear it has bushings, but like, bro, it has bearings. In my style, let's put the handlebars low. Oh, it has a twist throttle. The suspension is so stiff. Hold on, do it. You're heavy. Oh. Oh yeah, bro, look how many wires it got in here. Let me just remove this. Yeah, charging station. So it's 54 volts, 3 amps. Decently fast charger. They also give you nut covers. Yeah, it tells you to not sit on the fender. Must be at least 14 years old. Yeah, I'm not 14. Please ride on urban roads with a speed limit of 25. Yeah, fuck that. Yo, look, check this out. It shows you where the charging port is. Bro, this is so tough, bro. I'ma keep this here. Look at this motor wire. It's like you can just unplug the motor. Oh, they are welded. You can't switch the handlebars. You know what? Let's take a look inside. Bro, these screws are so short. But this frame looks like it looks solid. This screw. Oh man.
Gopro.
Ooh. 48 volts, 20.8 amp hours.
1000.
Yeah, do not puncture. Okay, the controller is so small. How much power does it have?
Hold on, let me
30 amps. So.
Hold on, let's read the warning.
Oh, let the battery near fire.
Yeah, bro. No shit. The battery, you don't need to let it near fire. This battery is fire.
If you wanna buy this scooter, there's a link in the description and I also have a discount code. Let's take it for a spin. Okay, so we got it on the street, but as you can see, it doesn't turn on. Well, to turn this scooter on, you must first turn on this little switch right there. Then push the power button and just push the M button and it's on. It's on turbo right now. So, like, it's on turbo. Let's see how fast it goes. Oh, would you look at that? It goes 25. It goes 25, bro. Can you believe it? Only 25. But, let's pull over. But, if you hold the brake and the minus button for 10 seconds, that was a beep. Every time you turn it on, you have to take the limiter off. Let's see. Oh shit. I think it's gonna start raining. Holy torque, bro. This thing absolutely smokes a G2, bro. I don't really like the fact that it has a twist throttle. I don't really like twist throttles. Hey, look at that. The suspension is so stiff though. It's like it doesn't even have suspensions because I'm so light. I weigh like 50 something kilograms. Holy shit, these lights look cool. It also has an app. Check this out. And check this out. It has GPS, belly. Oh boy, would you look at that. It has no faults. The tires are wider than a G2 Master tire. Like, these are 10 by 4 tires. G2 Master tires are 10 by 3. The frame feels solid. I should make this scooter go 100. Imagine this scooter going 100. Oh boy. Check this out. Holy shit! Yeah, the G2 Master is a little faster. Look at this, bro. It has lights on the handlebars. God damn, bro. But the turn signals are so damn bright, brother. Bro, this smokes the high, boy. It's wobbling a little. I gotta tighten the headset on this scooter. Oh, so it doesn't wobble. Steering damper costs money. Tightening the headset doesn't cost money. Ooh, it's raining, it's raining. I'm fine, but you don't have a fender. You're gonna be hella wet. Yeah, it's just water. Oh, it's raining. Oh, it's raining. Oh, god damn. Oh, let's hide in the parking lot. I am fully wet. This scooter is waterproof, as you can see. It's still working. Oh, Lord have mercy. Who made me do this? I don't know. Why did I do this? What happened? Did you fall? Ooh, how?
Just a tiny bit too much throttle and I fell.
Which side did you fall on? Maybe this wasn't the best idea, bro. Look at me. Look. I can legit squeeze water out of my t-shirt. Hold on, check this out. I am so wet. It's raining. Yeah, bro. I think it's raining. Yeah, the scooters are still fine though. Let's see the damage. Broke. Oh man. Bro crashed with my Master because too much power on wet road. Yeah, bro. Never send it on wet roads, y'all. Bro, first ride with the RCB and it's... Oh my days, bro. It's raining. It's raining so bad right now. What is the Green Bay bar churner? Bro, I am soaking wet right now. Look at this, bro. The scooter looks so cool. Yeah, don't crash again. This scooter is pretty waterproof. The torque on this thing feels similar to the G4. Do the Green Bay bar churner. Check this out. How does it look in the reflection? Hey, look at this. Literally same size. It's only on 48 volts, but like, acceleration is good. Holy throttle response, brother. My handlebar is still not straight, but it's fine. But the suspension is so damn stiff. Holy shit, that's my G2 Master. Oh yeah, the V-set. I'm the slowest in the room now. Damn, bro. 45 gaps a stock G2 in terms of torque. Like, it's faster than a G2. Oh, I don't like the twist throttle. Bro, this looks so goofy, bro. My handlebars are not centered. Oh my days, I hate twist throttle so much. Oh my days, bro. I tried wheeling. I pushed the rear brake. The rear brake didn't bite. And then when I dropped down, I went like this. And then it just... Oh my days, I hate twist throttle so much. I'ma just use it like a thumb throttle. Check this out. Look, that's my G2 Master right there. I'm currently working on the looks of the G2 Master. At the sides, I made custom side strips with my name on it. I tightened the headset as hard as I could. And like, this is... It's better than using it stock. It's more stable. But like, it still wobbles if you ride like an idiot, I guess. That's what I'm doing right now, by the way. Riding like an idiot. I mean, so far this scooter is solid. Like, the frame is solid. Oh boy, look at this, bro. This looks so tough. The G2 Master right there. Look at that guy. Bro got the push scooter. Look at this, brother. The V-set is huge. Let's do a comparison. Okay, so check this out. The G2 Master compared to my foot. Look at the V-set. Holy size, brother. Bro, it's so weird seeing my G2 Master, like, seeing someone else ride it. Like, when I ride it, it genuinely feels small under me. But like, when looking at it, like, from third person, this thing looks pretty big. Bro, that brake disc sounds so goofy. Bro, you sound like a jackhammer. Move! Push the throttle! Y'all, this is how you're supposed to ride a scooter, bro. This is how you're supposed to ride a scooter, bro. What you talking about? What do you mean I'm doing it wrong? Gang! This is how you're supposed to ride a scooter. How much voltage do I have? I still have 52 volts. 48 volts, 20.8 amp hour battery. Wait. Let me try it. But the suspension on this thing feels insane. Let me try sport mode.
Oh boy.
Wait, holy power, brother. Let's do a race. 3, 2, 1, go. Holy shit, the G2 Master is I'm full throttle. Oh my days. Wow! 83. This thing feels like it feels rock solid because the scooter is massive, bro. The scooter is heavier than me, by the way. Oh wait, the boost mode is over 76. Like, yeah, it has boost mode only for like a couple of minutes because overheat. This thing is rattling like crazy though. What the hell do you have in here? Oh yeah, using this as a thumb throttle. I mean, it kinda works, look. Hey! Ooh, the G2 Master is dusty now. Holy shit! Bro, why are there so many? Bro, what is going on? Bro, you watched Joy at school? I don't think Joy on Wheels should be in schools. Yeah, I don't think Joy on Wheels is educational content. When he starts throwing his booty twerking on the video. Oh lord, look at that. This is not a cookie ring, bro. Happy Christmas, bro.
You got 10 subscribers just for existing and having a helmet on your head.
Yeah, I got 10 subscribers for having a helmet. And, bro. But some kid legit said how much my cookie ring costed. Like, bro, this is not even a cookie ring.